What is up, YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you guys with a quick video. I just got done working out at the gym and I'm gonna walk back to my hotel right now as I'm out in Puerto Vallarta. It's freaking crazy out at the place I'm staying. But I just got a DM, a message on Instagram from one of my followers, and he's 19 years old. He says he's hungry. He doesn't know exactly what he wants to do, but he's got ambition to go out and win. And he wanted to know, what would I do if I started all over? So in this video, I'm gonna tell you guys what I would do if I was 19 years old. I'm 26 right now and I've graduated college, but what would I do if I started all over? And the first thing I would do is not pay attention to what mainstream society says. If you guys have been following any of the news and what's going on with all this crazy presidential stuff, you already know most of it is total BS and craziness. So if you get that out of the way up front, you're gonna save yourself a lot of time and a lot of actually kind of maybe like depression that comes with that stuff. So I think mainstream is pushing people to search for so much more, and everyone's addicted to Instagram and seeing all the highlights of people's lives. And even though I'm out here on a trip kind of showing that kind of lifestyle, it doesn't happen overnight. And I've gone for many, many months without even having my Amazon product live because Amazon had taken it down. So that was a major issue that I had to face. And when I post big numbers of my sales, it just looks like that happened to me overnight, which it of course did not. So don't fall victim to highlight reels of other people's lives, and don't think of mainstream society. Now, when it comes to college and school and all this stuff, try and get a good degree because it's always good to have a fallback plan, but don't go out and spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on studies if you're going to get a bachelor in arts or communication and stuff. This is all stuff you can learn right on YouTube. And if you look at some of the top kind of gurus and mentors in the world right now, like Tony Robbins, this guy, I don't even think he went to college. Like most of these movie stars and people who've made it big didn't even go to college, or they quit college. Another little pro tip I want to give you guys is to actually get to the gym, just like I got done doing. Feel powerful yourself. You're not going to win if you live in a messy room, if your car's messy, if your whole life is a mess. You need to get in the gym and go kick some freaking ass, all right? Have high confidence in yourself. Believe you are a champion, all right? You got to have high self-esteem, or you're not going to win in business, guys. Okay, so another thing I want to touch on is start very early. Now, I kind of had to postpone that because I was actually going through college and I was having to fulfill my studies and I was focused on that. But after I finished that, I immediately realized, like, holy crap, mainstream society is going to tie down my life forever. So why would I go work for someone else's dream and work that corporate lifestyle and fulfill what I was going to do with my degree? So I immediately, luckily I broke my leg skateboarding and got to sit at home for 2 months and learned how to make money online. So I would suggest to you guys that are young or whatever, it's never too late to start, but you need to start now, okay? And as I'm walking by, I see all these palm trees. So basically the best time to start planting all these trees to build this beautiful forest I'm in, jungle, would have been 20 years ago. But the second best time would be today. So start doing that as fast as you possibly can. Another thing is, you look at how people are calling all these courses online, and people like me who actually have made a course and show success in these things, they would call a lot of that stuff like a scam. Now, don't fall victim to that. People that call those things scams have problems within their own lives, and they're just taking it out on other people. That's just as simple as it is. And all the courses out there online usually will give you good information that you can work with to build whatever you're following in that course. Now, you want to reach out to those people, like reach out to me, and I'm going to be there to answer your questions, to actually get on a call with you. And if people won't do that for you, then it might actually be a scam. So I would invest in a course. You go look at college books and stuff, and they're like, how much money to go get a college book? Like 400 bucks or something for 2 books for your class? It's absolutely insane. My course is right around that price, and you're gonna learn how to make money and never go have to work for a boss again, so you can go hang out at a freaking crazy place like this, guys. So that's kind of the 3 main things I would suggest you guys think about if you're gonna start now, or if I was to restart my life. Basically, as soon as I could, I would stop listening to mainstream society. I would focus on myself, my own goals, reconstructing the power of myself and going to the gym and building my own self-esteem. And then I would invest in kind of a course in something that I knew was going to be a big win for me down the road, like Amazon FBA, for instance. And as the year of 2020 is just about to be approaching us, go and just send it. Like, what is $500 to go invest in a course from someone who's doing what I'm talking about? Like, go learn from someone who's actually doing what they're talking about. A lot of these college professors, they don't even go do what they were teaching. They just teach it. I would suggest, if you guys, like, I'm just gonna push my course because I know what I'm providing is legit. So I would say go check out my Amazon course, and it's gonna take some trial and error, but if you have me as your mentor and you have the fully updated course, which I've just finished updating right before I came on this trip with 4 hours of new content, you guys should have no problem getting your feet wet with Amazon FBA, which is, in my mind, the best passive income model you can create for yourself. You're able to store your inventory in Amazon's warehouses and they will ship it out to customers while you're sleeping. So you don't have to ship things out like if you were selling on eBay or anything like that. And e-commerce, selling things online, is only getting bigger and bigger by the day, okay? Sears, Macy's, all these, JCPenney, they're all going out of business. Everyone's shopping on Amazon. So when you have tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to actually show you the numbers of how many sales products are making, it takes the guessing game out of finding a good profitable product. You just have to differentiate it, and you can see all what your competitors are doing, but you'll just differentiate it, beat them out, make a better bundle, and there's no reason you won't start getting sales. So I am gonna leave you guys with that, and I will see you guys in the next video. But please do drop a thumbs up on this one, guys, please. I had to kind of make this one as I was just kind of walking by, and there's people walking, and I don't give a damn, guys, all right? So drop a thumbs up on this because I'm just hustling out here trying to help you guys get successful and give you the motivation to succeed. And please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thanks a lot. Peace out.